General treatment product video training, W600 installation. I'm going to talk about the installation really quick while we're set up in this mode. Installation needs to be roughly what you got here. Of course, inlet's going to be here, and this is elevated because it's got pH. We want to make sure the pH stays wet when this thing goes ahead and shuts down. So this will pump a trap basically. You're going to always have water in here. You should have inlet and outlet isolation valves. Should have some kind of strainer just to make sure that the particles go fine, especially at like the glass sensor that's on here or in the connectivity. You should have a sample valve, which is what they've got right there. The flow switch on the HVAC system sometimes really doesn't, it's really not good on a machine to turn it on and off all the time, you know, when you do have flow, when you don't have flow. The flow switch senses that, and it doesn't really shut off the machine, it just disables the controls, okay? Then you should have your pump manifold. Of course, we've got PVC and a polypropylene injector here, a dual injector, because we're gonna have pH and connectivity sensors, so we're going to probably feed an acid and some inhibitors, maybe even some biocide timers, which this does have. And then of course our isolation valve. So that's the basics for a setup. Make sure that you do have a trap in there. If you have, especially have pH or ORP, you want to make sure that they stay wet, and that you do have some kind of strainer. General treatment does have a connectivity manifold or a manifold line to help complete your installation. Very good.